This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarms were transmitted in the Florida listening area from Ruskin, Florida. This also tests of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threats. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular program. The Tampa climate summary for yesterday.
I can't believe it.
NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11
I can't believe they did this.
6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threat. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular program.
Oh, they didn't say thank you this time. That was perfectly timed. Wow.